Doubt everything. Find your own light. There is no path to happiness. Happiness is the path. It is better to travel well than to arrive. When you like a flower, you just pluck it. But when you love a flower, you water it daily. Whatever has the nature of arising has the nature of ceasing. There has to be evil, so that good can prove its purity above it. Holding on to anger is like grasping a hot coal with the intent of throwing it at someone else. You are the one who gets burned. The foot feels the foot when it feels the ground. It is better to conquer yourself than to win 1,000 battles. Then the victory is yours. It cannot be taken from you, not by angels or by demons, heaven or hell. Peace comes in within. Do not seek it without. In the sky, there is no distinction of east and west. People create distinction out of their own minds and then believe them to be true. You can only lose what you cling to. The way is not in the sky, the way is in the heart. When you realize how perfect everything is, you tilt your head back and laugh at the sky. A dog is not considered as a good dog because he is a good barker. A man is not considered a good man because he is a good talker. The mind is everything. What you think, you become. I never see what has been done. I only see what remains to be done. Every human being is the author of his own health and disease. If you find no one to support you on the spiritual path, walk alone. Do not dwell in the past. Do not dream of the future. Concentrate the mind on the present moment. Three things cannot be long hidden: the sun, the moon, and the truth. You will not be punished for your anger. You will be punished by your anger. All know the way, but few actually walk it. A man asked Gautama Buddha, "I want happiness." Buddha said, "First remove I, that is ego. Then remove want, that is desire. See now, you are left with only happiness."